We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John, and today we're going to take a look at this HP LaserJet M604 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the fuser. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you turn the printer off. So you hit the power button here on the front right side of the printer, and once the power completely turns off on the printer, you want to unplug the printer, and the power plug is located on the back right side of the printer. So once you have it turned off and unplugged, we're going to go ahead and turn this thing around. Okay, now that we have the printer turned around, we can get to where we can actually access the fuser. So the first thing you want to remove is this little cover down here. So you just put your finger in the little handle there and push straight out. And we can set this cover on a flat dry surface so it doesn't go anywhere. Now we're going to lower this top back cover here, and we need to take this off once you open it. So if you look on the left side here, there's a little finger notch. You're going to put your finger in that little finger notch and kind of squeeze in, and you'll be able to remove this whole rear cover. So you're going to just set that off to the side on a clean, dry, flat surface. And then now we can actually see our fuser. So this is our fuser right here. You'll notice there's a little blue tab on each side towards the bottom. So in order to remove the fuser, what you're going to want to do is up above there's a little area where you can kind of put your thumb. And so you're just going to put your thumb at the top, squeeze up on those little blue tabs, and you can pull this fuser right out. So it's really simple to take out. Be careful where you're touching this if the printer's been on recently. These do get very hot, so you want to make sure that you actually handle it from where those little finger holds are. Everything else can get very, very hot, so you want to be very careful so you don't burn yourself. But once you have it removed, again, you can go ahead and set it on a clean, dry, flat surface. And then at this point you would unpack and prepare your new fuser before install. So once you have your new fuser, again you're going to go ahead and take it. You're going to hold it by those little thumb tabs and those little blue buttons. You're going to slide it back into position and then firmly push straight into the printer, and you'll hear it click into the position. You want to make sure it clicks on both sides. Go ahead and double check. Just give it a kind of quick little tug on each side. Make sure that it's not going anywhere, it's not moving. It should be firmly seated in there. Now that we have the fuser installed into the printer, now we can reinstall our rear cover. So you want to take the right side and you're going to try to insert this little black tab just down through here. You'll see like a little groove here on the side next to the fuser. So you're going to take that, slide it in until you can get it to, you'll kind of feel it drop in, and then you're going to stick your finger in that little finger notch, squeeze in, and then line this up. If you don't get it right away, it's okay. Just kind of, you can move it around a little bit, and it should close really nice and smooth for you. Now that that's installed, we can put our other cover on. So you can just slide it right in there until it's closed. And now we have successfully removed and replaced our fuser. Now we need to tell the printer that we've replaced the fuser. So when we come back, we'll show you how to do that. Okay, so our printer's powered up, and now we can go ahead and reset that fuser so that the printer knows there's a new fuser inside the machine, and any warnings you were having telling you to replace it will be gone and taken care of. So it's very simple. First thing you want to go ahead and do is you're going to push this little house button at the bottom of your control panel, and now you're going to scroll down until you find the administration tab. So once you find administration, go ahead and click OK. And now you're going to use the arrow keys to go ahead and scroll down until you find Manage Supplies. Once you find Manage Supplies, go ahead and hit OK again. And then we're going to use the arrow keys again. We're going to go down until we find the option that says Reset Supplies. Hit OK. And you're going to see an option that says New Maintenance Kit. Go ahead and hit OK. And it's going to ask you yes or no. You're going to scroll down and click yes. And once you select yes, that's going to reset that maintenance count on your printer. It's going to tell the printer that you have a new fuser inside the printer, and that warning will go away and won't come back until it's time to do that again. So very simple process. There's not a whole lot to it. Once you've done it once, it's not a real big deal. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer any of those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your office supply or printer supply needs, please feel free to reach out to us so we can help supply this for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.